Chemours brings its customers and the world a 200-year legacy of discovery. We are the inventors of entire categories of chemicals, including fluoropolymers and refrigerants. We are advancing higher value chemistry and bringing performance solutions to our customers that enable safer operation, shorter downtimes, and cost-effective maintenance across industries. Chemours is dedicated to meeting the needs of both the chemical processing industry and partners in such sectors as transportation, semiconductors, electronics, and communications. This is the story of products that can withstand extreme conditions, enabling peak performance, making them ideal in manufacturing settings where operations must be efficient while maintaining high purity levels. Whether it's high temperatures, corrosive chemicals, or high vacuum environments, our products protect compounds across the critical steps of containment, movement, and conditioning. At Chemours, it's all about solutions that help our customers grow and thrive, because when they grow, we do too. We're proud to offer a range of products that make equipment and plant sites run better, reduce costs, and help protect the environment. And every day, we're hard at work finding the next solution to the next challenge, driven by our passion for discovery and the power of chemistry.